Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. So as you know, this is the course HS3330, the new course combined between verse of the Quran and Hadith, with the title or the name of the course is Verses of the Holy Quran and Hadith on Halal and Haram, and we have 48 students. So therefore, allow me today to call your name, maybe to familiar with your name as my student, right? And then I would like to hear also your voice, maybe as normal. I will recognize your voice rather than your face. Maybe your face keep changing, for example. Keep changing. I don't know, maybe after 1 year or 2 years, right? 2 years, 3 years, okay. But after 5 years, maybe difficult to recognize. But your voice, I'm sure, will be maintained until the end. Okay, the first one is Nur Izzati binti Rosli. Alhamdulillah. Muhammad Nuriman Shah bin Syahrul Wardi. Okay. Fatin Nasirah binti Abdullah. Okay. Dayangku Hajah Sa'datul Hasanah binti Pangeran Haji Soleh. Thank you. Nurul Fatin Syakirah. Again, I would like to read your name because to read full name. Nurul Fatin Syakirah binti Haji Samsur. Okay, thank you. Dayangku Siti Zahra binti Pangeran Haji Muhammad Arul Faizal. Okay. Dayangku Nur Khairatul Izzah binti Pangeran Tengah. Ada? Tak ada? Okay, rehearsal. Just say rehearsal, okay. Ampuan Nurul Wa'izzah binti Ampuan Asmad. Okay. Muhammad Amirus Zakwan bin Iswandi. Hana Samiha binti Abdul Aziz. Nurul Fatin Fakihah binti Muhammad Fahiri. Okay, thank you. Siti Akilah binti Jun Pahlawi. Nur Izzah Amirah binti Haji Saiful Nairul Azmi. Rehearsal. Muhammad Saifullah bin Abdullah Muhammad Abdullah. Muhammad Saifullah Al-Mujid bin Sapur Rizal. Okay, thank you. Nur Batrisha Wasi'ah binti Haji Azamain. Dayangku Nur Kasdina binti Pangeran Muhammad Rafi. Rabi'atul Adawiyah binti Rosli. Muhammad Abdul Muhaimin bin Haji Kifli. Nur Amalina binti Anwar. Nur Hanisah Maisarah binti Haji Hairul Lazmi. Abdul Wali bin Kamran. Nur Irdina binti Sarudin. Amirah Farahiyah binti Azizul Azri. The next one, number 25, Muhammad Shahiruddin bin Haji Haslan. Afrina Sahira binti Haji Awang Makrat. Nur Sabrina Aliyah binti Haji Muhammad Syafi. Muhammad Akmal Hafuza bin Ahmad. Nur Khairun Nisa Hazika binti Muhammad Harun. Nur Wa'i Fitri Zawana binti Haji Amirul Mu'minin. Muhammad Sufi Hakimi bin Syaiful Arif.
Present and I am here.
Alhamdulillah. Almas Munira binti Abdul Ghani. An-Nur Izzati Yura binti Haji Syairul Bahari. Nur Akilah Wajiha binti Abdullah Nur Ilham. Irna Dina Wahida binti Haji Jafri. Okay, thank you. Nur Aminah Saidah binti Muhammad Hazimin. Siti Syazwana Mawaddah binti Suwaimi. Amira Wafika binti Ridwan. Nur Nazura binti Isa. Syifa Ajilla Putri binti Takung. Siti Nur Wahida binti Samsul. Nur Fatin Afina binti Haji Muhammad Zukhairi. Thank you. Nur Ain Syaidatul Qasrina binti Widi Hasfian. Absent. Muhammad Khairi Waddin bin Haji Harun.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Ummi Atifah Khadijah Wa'i binti Syahminan. Dayang Dina Musfirah Fakhrana binti Haji Abdul Rahman. A stand for what? Abdul? Yeah, because you're A, I don't want to pronounce. I want that. Okay, Abdul Haji Abdul Rahman. Siti Nur Najiha binti Syamri. Muhammad Aiman bin Isa. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much for your cooperations. And so many students, I found that some of you not so easy to remember your name because very, very long. And thank you very much and good luck. See you again, inshallah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.